Hello, and welcome to 4 Simple Steps to Easy Weight Loss. I've worked with hundreds of people helping them to lose weight. And when they first come to see me, they've been on so many diets that their head is swirling with too much information. What they want are some simple steps to follow. Simple steps to help them on their weight loss journey. Simple steps that are easy to incorporate into a busy life. And that's why I've created these 4 simple steps. These steps will help you to see why you should ditch the diet, to understand that when you're listening to your head rather than your body, weight loss is difficult and doomed to failure. When people start a diet, they have to change so many things in their life. They're on a restricted calorie count. They can't go out to eat with friends because they don't know what's on the menu. They get overwhelmed, tired, bored, and fed up. And so I'm suggesting making one change. Yes, that's right, just one change. And the last step is about preparing and why this is vitally important. I can't tell you how many clients have come back to me and told me that this is the thing that really changed their eating habits. Now, there are hundreds of books about weight loss and dieting that will fill you up with information and confuse you even more. Instructions that send your head spinning off in different directions. So let's keep things simple. You know what to eat and how to eat. And this course is just going to remind you of what you already know and to put you back in control. There are 4 simple tips and 4 simple recipes for you to enjoy. So thank you for taking this course, and I really hope you enjoy these steps on your journey.